Few of you, maybe you got email from your HR, especially working in TCS. Because of overlapping, they will send you email. You need to report to HR operation team to discuss about your dual employment related issues. Definitely they will ask justification. If you fail to provide the justification, almost 95% they will fire you. Okay, especially for dual employment in TCS, people are firing. Okay, but some people, they are afraid about the dual employment. They are saying that still I didn't get any confirmation from HR. I didn't receive any call, any email from HR. I don't know how this will react, how this will give impact in my current situation. Okay. Honestly speaking, for dual employment, many people, I told the same things. Here also I am telling the same things. Definitely 100% impact will be there. Okay. How you will take going forward, how you going to approach the method, how you going to join in smarter way. Okay. That I will educate you. Okay. And don't ask me same question over the email. Yeah, of course, the dual employment is the major problem right now. Okay. That is the hot of topic, especially in TCS. Okay. And everybody asking same question, I cannot respond 200 and 300 plus email at a time in single day. Okay. If you really need clarification suggestions, you can approach to me. Definitely I am trying. Definitely I will give you the perfect suggestion to you. Okay. If you are really interested, you can approach to me. My email ID and UPI ID available in this video description. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye bye.